So I'm kind of pissed off because I want my videos to be short, but they always turn out to be super long, and it's really annoying because I don't have that long of an attention span. I don't know about you. So that being said, let's hopefully make this video short, real short. Hopefully shorter than 10 minutes. Okay, so let me show you what I got for today. Okay, so today all we're gonna do is wrap the eyelid black and tint the headlights. That's it. I already went ahead and took out the bumper, and as you can see, the other headlight is already off. So that's good to go. And already I had a schedule for it to be a short video. So I was actually planning on taking both headlights out, but I thought I might as well just show one of them and how it comes off, because that's not really a full video or not even a demonstration or anything like that if I don't show one. So let me show you one and then get over with that. We can get onto the wrapping, get onto the tinting, and then we can call it a video. Okay, to take out the headlights off of any E92, the first thing you're gonna need to do is take off the bumper. I did not show it on this video. Just go ahead and watch another video if you want a demonstration on how to remove bumpers. I'm not really even showing a demonstration. This is just a quick how-to, and then I'm gonna get on with the other stuff. All right, and to remove the headlight, there's 2 screws here, one here, and one right there. Okay, and the headlights are actually connected to this little frame right here. This frame is attached to the headlight. You do not need to separate the frame from the headlight. All you have to do is remove these 2 little screws right there. Now, once these 4 screws are removed, the headlight still won't come out. Obviously, from taking the wires out from the actual headlight, there is a female-male clip at the bottom here that needs to be taken off as well in order for the headlight to come out. So let me show you that. Okay, so what you do is go under this light right here. Then next to this electrical compartment is this little plastic piece right there. If we can unblur it. Okay, there we go. So that little plastic piece right there, it's kind of like a lever. All you have to do is just pull it down and it'll come off. And that's it really. That should be the last piece to take the headlight out. Now that being said, don't forget to take the wires out of the headlight. Don't just yank it out. Alright, so the headlight came off a little too easy. I didn't even really need that little lever part, it just came right off. But let me show you what I meant. So if you look at the back side of the headlight, we just turn it around. And at the bottom here, hopefully I don't scratch the headlight. So this right here is what I meant. This is holding on to the car. I guess I wouldn't really call it a female-male, but just like a lever or a clip. And yeah, this just goes up and down, and that is all that's required to take the headlight off. Really not too bad. I guess the worst thing would be to take the bumper off, and if it's an original bumper, it's a little bit more harder because you have to take the water guards and all that garbage, which mine doesn't really have that right now, so I'm good to go. All right, now let's get to the fun stuff, which is blacking out the eyelids and tinting the headlights. And again, if I did not like the tint, I'm just gonna take it off. All right, so I went ahead and brought the headlights inside just because I have a little bit more room to work with here than in the garage. So let's do the work inside. All right, so I already went ahead and cleaned out the headlight. So now the first thing we need to do is put some knifeless tape on this eyelid here and black it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure I have an exact line of the eyelid here. I would say that is pretty damn spot on. Now I'm not gonna worry about putting knifeless tape on the top. I'm just gonna wrap over it and just cover this whole general area. I feel like I'm explaining way too much and it's becoming a tutorial video, which is not what I want. So I'm gonna explain less and just do more. So the wrap is on. Now I just gotta use the knifeless tape to cut the bottom, and then I'll use a blade to cut the top, and we are done with the eyelid. All right. Hopefully I can do this with one hand and not ruin it. Well, that sucks. Okay, so this is why I always leave extra on both sides. So just in case I mess up, like over there. And I'm not gonna do it with one hand so I don't F up again. All right. All right, now let's cut the top and we are done, baby. All right, as you can see, the eyelet is done. Covered the whole top area with the wrap itself, and the bottom, as you saw, we cut with knifeless tape. And just to make the process go quicker, the other one's already done. All right, I'm trying to go as quick as I can, so hopefully I'm under 10 minutes. Let's get onto the tint and then just put the headlights back on the car and we are good to go, baby. Okay, now that the light's good to go, let's go ahead and add the tint. I already went ahead and did the cut just so I can make things even quicker. Apply this on it like that, and bam. Now, and yeah, this is already bad. Okay, now tint is a lot thicker material than wrap is, so you really got to be patient with it. So as you can see on this side, I don't have a lot of room to work with. So I'm gonna use this side that I have a ton of room to work with. Just bring it over on the other side a little bit. Alright, so this is all essentially tucked in and just ready to be cut. So now let's just cut the extra tint out and we are done. Alright. Extra tint is off. The light is looking good. And oh, would you look at that? The other one is done too. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Let's put it on the car, put the bumper back on, and we are done. Again, hopefully this is less than 10 minutes. I really hope. I don't want one of those long ass videos. That's just boring as fuck. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Lights in the garage. Let's put it back on the car. Okay, so now that the light is on, it would be the perfect time to show you that lever that I couldn't show you before because for some reason it just came off really easily. So let me show you how to reattach it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so this lever right here needs to go in there to keep the light in place. It just pretty much maintains the light at a specific distance. That's pretty much it, really. So let's go ahead and attach that and we should be all done. Connect all these back together and we are good to go. Okay, as you just saw, it was really as simple as that. It was just a lever and a little click, I guess, that just clips onto the car. That's it. Now that that's done, I'm gonna quickly attach the other side. I don't need to film it, I want it to go quick. And then I'm just gonna do a time lapse attaching the bumper and we're good to go. I just wanna end the video. I want it to be under 10 minutes. Let's do this. And just like that, both of them are installed. Time for the bumper. Alright, we are finally done with the front side of the car. Pretty much essentially all the car. Just got a few other things that I'll talk about in a second. But let me show you the car real quick and then what I got planned for other videos and then we'll call it a wrap.
Okay, so as you can see, the car does not look that bad actually with the tint.
But if you notice, as I was just showcasing the car, there's just a ton of fingerprints on it. Again, I'm not exactly sure how long I'm gonna be holding or keeping this wrap because it's annoying as fuck, but it is what it is. We'll just use it for a while and then I'll change it up. But again, it is what it is. But yeah, that's essentially the car. Let me show you what I got next for future videos and then we'll call it quits.
I actually haven't shown this yet. I was planning on rewrapping and attaching it on a separate video, but I thought that's just pointless. I just went ahead and did it. I rewrapped these are actually carbon fiber hood vents. I want it to be black, so I wrapped it black again. And then I just attached it with rivets and blacked out the rivets with just regular paint.
Okay, so for the next video, what I wanna do is put on the shark fin and the side mirrors as well. So hopefully I have enough time, and if I can keep it under 10 minutes, that's one of the main reasons why I just went ahead and did the hood vents, because I just want this video to be shorter, and other videos, I don't like long videos. That's just me. I don't like them. But anyways, that should be the next one. And then lastly, once that video is done, I want to do the splitters, and then the car should be finally done. Done. All right. That all being said, again, I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.